Hey everybody, here we are wrapping up day 3 of the 2024 Fluid Motion Factory Rendezvous. Not much left to do tonight other than some dancing, a couple cocktails, and hopefully a little bit of an after party on the dock. The Learning Center had 2 great seminars today. Martin Nethkin talked to us about cruising to Desolation Sound and beyond, and Tara from West Coast CPR talked to us about medical emergencies underway. Thank you to both of you for being here. The cornhole tournament did not disappoint this year. Joe, Brett, congratulations. This is your 2nd year in a row of not only winning the tournament, but beating the factory team. We hope you enjoy it because next year, it's not gonna happen. We had 2 other huge events today. The first one is the scavenger hunt. Brian Bloom is the overall winner of the scavenger hunt. Last night, he was in the lead. He took it today. Congratulations, Brian. The second major event today was the blindfolded dinghy race. Jen and Russ Moore, congratulations on bringing home the trophy in the blindfolded dinghy race. It was amazing to see you guys out there. We had some great dinner prepared by Chef Bill Shaw and his team. We gave away some fun prizes, and now we're doing some dancing with Wildflower Dance Company. We hope you're out there dancing with us. We're gonna get back to the tent and have a good time. Before we sign off for 2024, we have to say thank you to a few important people, including you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to Roche Harbor Marina and Resort for welcoming us. Thank you to the Fluid Motion Factory team as well. We appreciate everyone spending your time and your energy here with us. We had a blast and we can't wait for 2025.